Hey, this is Mark from Mobile Diesel. I am in an area called Wake Forest. It's north of Raleigh, North Carolina. That is a mid 90s, early 2000 Cummins Fire Pumper. It's for a academy. It's a 3-4 story building, and they had a malfunction with the fireboard, and the thing got triggered even though there was not a fire. But the main cooling valve, which is connected to the 5,000 gallon water tank, did not open up because there was no fire. It was so this tank, which cools the motor when it's powering the fire sprinklers, did not open up. And the motor doesn't use a radiator, it uses what's called a Keel cooler. So, thing ran full throttle without any water from the tank, and it ran for about half an hour, overheated. I just ran an air leak test, and I thought we can get away with not doing an in-frame, but it needs an in-frame. So now I'm going to be here for a couple of weeks, and I'll probably post every night, just short, quick videos, and we'll go from there. All right, cool. Bye for now.